This video is going to demonstrate how to use the dictation tool available in Office 365 and a lot of their applications. In this video, we're going to look at how the dictation tool works in Word Online as well as the desktop version of Word, in which case we'll be using Word 2016. So you can see on the screen right now, I have opened up a new Word document online through Office 365. This is the online version of Word. And the first thing I'm going to do is put my cursor in the body of the page, and this is where I want my dictation to appear. On the home button in the online version of Word, if you come over to the right hand side, you will see a button that says Dictate. It is automatically set to English, but if you click on the drop down, if you have somebody who is speaking in a different language, it can pick up any other language that you see listed. So to get started, again, what we're going to do is click on this Dictate tool. And when I click on the Dictate tool, you're going to notice a little red circle appear on the little microphone, and that indicates that it is beginning to pick up your voice. You will also notice as I speak that if I include punctuation with what I am saying, it will put the punctuation in the proper place as well. So for instance, you can say the word period, exclamation point, question mark, and those will actually appear as symbols at the end of your sentence. As long as you are speaking loudly and clearly and you are on a device with a good microphone, the dictation tool works very well. If you do not have a good built-in mic on your device, you will need to plug in an external microphone. So here is an example. We're going to come over here and click on the Dictate tool. You can see the red circle indicates that it is now recording, period. This is a test of the dictation tool in Word Online, period. So I've stopped my dictation now, and you can see I spoke clearly, I spoke loudly, I didn't speak too fast, and it was very accurate with what I said, and it included the punctuation and spacing between the sentences because I included punctuation as I was doing my dictation. Now I'm going to show you how this works in the desktop version, which is very similar. So I'm going to launch this document over into the desktop application, which is Word 2016 on this particular device. The online version of my document has now launched into the desktop version, so we are in the full desktop version of Word 2016. And you can see, located pretty much in the exact same spot as compared to the online version, we're on the home menu of Word. You can see the dictate option over here on the right hand side. So I'm going to bring my cursor down where I want the dictation to appear. And again, as soon as I click on the word dictate, a red circle will appear indicating that it is now recording my voice, and it will begin to put the text on the page. So we're going to begin by clicking Dictate. The dictation tool is now on, period, and it will record anything that I say, period. So you can see here it made a little bit of an error when I was indicating my punctuation. It actually wrote out the word period. So again, this is not a perfect tool and you still have to edit your work, but there are options if your students need to do dictation. This is a great tool that works pretty well, again, as long as you speak loudly, clearly, and have a really good microphone.